Hello everyone, how to use credit card tracker in Excel. So let's start step by step. Go to the file tab and click on the new option and you can see the all Excel template. Scroll down and click on here the planners and tracker tab. In planners and tracker, here you can see the credit card tracker is available. You can search here also. So I just click on the credit card tracker and click on here the create. So you can see your credit card tracker added in your Excel file. With this Excel credit card tracker, you can manage all your expense, avoid late fees, and stay in full control of your money. And here you can see in this credit card tracker, just add the date of transaction, description, amount, merchant name, transaction fees and balance, and here you get the total amount and total transaction fees amount. First mention your bank of your credit card like the SBI bank credit card, then enter the payments as negative amounts in table. Okay, and here in table you can see the first entry existing balance $45. Okay, in balance column also $45 showing, and the second entry payment for June. So here the 45 minus 34, the payment amount for June, and here the two transaction fees is added. Okay, so 45 minus 34 is equal to 11, and 11 plus 2 is 13. So total $13 payment is pending. Now again add the expense $45 and here the total added amount $58. Again the expense $600, and this is the way you are add your expense and total expense here showing with the total transaction fees also you can check. Okay, so this is the way you can track your credit cards expense. So this is so helpful to manage your expense. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.